Yeah, Sonny.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, I just wanted to shoot this video out. I'm doing some sheetrock repair, okay, and a little bit of painting. And I thought I'd show this tool. It's a must-have. I mean, it was recommended by the handyman on YouTube. So check him out, the handyman. I'll tell you, he knows his stuff. I get a lot of information from this guy. We're getting back to it. This is it here. It's Hyde. It's a dust-free drywall sanding kit. I purchased this thing on Amazon, and it was about $25, okay? I'll tell you what. I'm going to check it out today. I'm going to try it, and we're going to see how it works. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Looks like three pieces. It's got the handle, okay? It's got an adapter. That's going to go on the shop vac end, and then this little end here will go on the hose itself. What you need for this is you need sandpaper. They're screens, okay? Got this at the depot. Okay, these were about $3 for 2 of them. All right, so I got a couple of them. Got the clips here. All right, then you're gonna screw them down. See how it locks in place. So you put a piece in, lock it down, and then fold it over and do the same on the other side. You get what I'm saying. So let's hook this thing up. Let's see, we come over to the shop vac. If you don't have a shop vac, look into the rigid. That's it. I didn't do a video of actually using it, but it worked out great. What it does is, obviously you can tell, it just sucks all the dust right in. All right, I didn't have to use the adapter. The adapter didn't fit on the end, so the hose literally went right in, and it just connects right inside. The adapter's for the bigger shop vac tubes. You know what I mean? Sonny, what are you doing? All right, so that's it. I highly recommend it. If you're going to do some sanding and you want to keep it clean and neat, definitely go out and get yourself one of these bad boys right here. All right. Again, you get it on Amazon. It's cheap. I think it's 25, 30 bucks maybe. But it's well worth it. Again, thanks for watching. And again, if you're doing drywall repair, this is another must-have right here, kid. Everybody, you know, we all know about these here. The blocks, these are good. Little areas you can't reach with the big handle there. What are you doing, son? Sonny likes it. He recommends it also. So again, if you're looking for something to control the dust, this thing is cheap, it's affordable, and it works well. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right, Sonny? Wait a minute. You know what we do now. Yo, Sonny! There he is. He's right there the whole time. Hey, Sonny, what do you say? All right, we'll catch you on the next one.